Welcome to 1015 Nolden Street, Los Angeles. 1015 Nolden is a beautiful bungalow-style house located in Highland Park, just a block north of York Blvd, with tons of restaurants, shops, and boutiques for everything you could want. In addition to a formal dining and living room, this house features a breakfast area and a family room. There's an extra space between the kitchen area and the family room that's perfect for a playroom or at-home office. This cozy 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house is ready for families of all sizes and ages. All the bedrooms are very spacious and have great-sized closets. Storage will not be a problem in this home. There's also a very large attic that spans the entire length of the house, perfect for storage. The front yard is spacious and fenced in, perfect for families with pets and kids. There's extra backyard space behind the 2-car garage that has a persimmon and lemon tree and is perfect for a garden. At 6,290 square feet, this lot is one of the largest and flattest in the neighborhood. The house itself is 1,770 square feet. It's a substantial size for a single-story house in the neighborhood. Already equipped with solar panels and brand new windows, this house is ready for whatever the future holds. Give us a call or send us an email to schedule your visit today.